pretty, pretty fingernails, yeah, pretty. Let me see your pretty fingernails, pretty, pretty fingernails, pretty. Let me see your pretty.
Just blame it on the yellow gold rollie with the blue stones.
Cause I know you see it too. Don't be scared to make a move. It's cool, babe. Cause I ain't worried about a thing, ain't worried about a thing.
Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all.
I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm so fresh and I can't help it. I'm so fresh and I can't help it. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm so fresh and I can't help it. I'm so fresh and I can't help it.
And when they say me, they lie. Yeah, I make the girls go. And when I step in, they say me, they lie.
Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap in. Fucking nigga get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap in.
As a matter of fact, cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back.
Yeah, so keep out the manuscript. You see that it's a must we drop gangsta.
What's the motherfucking name? Yeah.
Shit, that ass wait till the beat drop. This a West Coast shit. This a West Coast shit. Real LA shit. Real LA shit. Shake that ass for a real one. Bounce that ass for a real one. Twerk that ass for a real one. Pop that ass for a real one.
Introduction to this Nipsey Hussle music. Plus money and bitches, that's the way that we do it. First get your bride on, then get your shine on. Then come through daytime with the lights on. Then hit the fast lane, and let your chain swing. You getting dollars like a doctor, but you gangbang. Yeah, it's hustle in the house. Yeah, it's hustle in the house.
Look, I came from nothing, so did every other rapper. Say the speculation, real banger, gun clapper. Silence, any opposition with the Mac, I turn them into candles on the curb over blood splat. Fuck rest in peace shirts, nigga, where your guns at? Hit them been 2 weeks, and we ain't seen no get back. Type of shit, it's that, yo crippin', it's whack. You ain't poppin', you ain't turfed up, nigga. You off deck, I promise. I be out lurking with the pump, gooned up, black hoodie on, chopper in the trunk. Ready to hop out and do my motherfucking stuff. 6-0, nigga, that's what's up. Huh?
This is just a small introduction to this Nipsey Hussle music. Plus money and bitches.
I'm trying to smoke.
I'm so high, I'm so high, I'm so high. That's just how I get by. Let that burn to the mother sky. That's that kill, that's that fire.
I'm alone. Who gon' pray for me? Take my pain for me. Save my soul for me. Cause I'm alone to see if I gon' die for you, if I gon' kill for you, then I spill this blood for you. Hey.
I fight the world, I fight you, I fight myself, I fight God, just tell me how many burdens left. I fight pain and hurricane.
Ain't gon' learn till the chronic blood don't burn, and you can't see nothing but the ghetto bird light shine through the fucking palm tree.
California ain't a state, it's an all. Motherfuckers ain't gon' learn till the chronic blunt don't burn, and you can't see nothing.
My heart back to the way it used to love, the way it used to be, and the way it used to feel. Before I fell in love,
Mommy, kiss it down low, way down low, and don't come up till it's down your throat. Cause I'ma trick that nigga for a condo, and she strip for the money, I'm a Congo. I'ma drop that shit, then shake that shit. If she looking like she want it, better check your bitch, but I bet she
in the day when we used to play, you wanted to be with me.
That's right.
And now that it's so bright and natural out there, man, that I can see. I'm sticking in my background, picking up a hole for you to make your move. But no longer will I need your ego. Let's play high. Let's play high.
Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Big timer. Big timer. 40 water. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. Kick that shit, sugar.
Here comes the top notch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here I be. Clicked out me, sugar tea from the beat. I'm quick to smile. Always down for the job. You gotta strut, that's a gang shot. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
In 24, same player, legendary. Now we got Coos, KCP, Deadshot, and McGee. D. Howard, Troy Daniels, Rondo, AC. And not to mention Boogie coming back, cooking they beat. At full strength, we the squad that nobody can beat. We got the king, number 23 in purple and gold. With AD, number 3 in that purple and gold. They say the Clippers are our competition, I say no. Because the last team standing gonna be the late show, cuz we